Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing recipe I put together. I put together this amazing bacon jalapeno waffles. And let me tell you, it was amazing. I love jalapenos, I love bacon, and I love waffles. So I said to myself, I was like, you know what? Let's put the two together. Put it inside the waffle. And with that combination alone, you get your little bit of sweetness and you get a little bit of spicy. And let me tell you, you'll love it. I definitely recommend anyone and everyone to try this. All right?
I can't see no one but you, it's true. So when you know that it's time to go, you can see me, I'll be at the door. And I'm like, meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside tonight. Maybe we can roll up and get a little naughty. And ain't no telling, ain't no telling, ain't no telling, ain't no telling what can happen before the after party, before the after party.
But before I go, I just want to say thank you for everyone that has taken the time to watch my videos. I love y'all. Thank you for always showing your support. It means a lot to me. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love y'all. Kool Zone out.
No regrets, it's who we are. They want me and you flaunt me, so nothing is